Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna put together some Brussels sprouts to go in the air fryer to have as a side for our dinner tonight. I have washed I bought some Brussels sprouts at the grocery store. And what I'm gonna do is just cut the very tip of it off and cut them in two and then put them in a bowl. And I'm gonna add some olive oil and some seasoning and some Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna cook these on 350 in the air fryer for 6 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out and toss them a little bit, and then I'm gonna return them to the air fryer and put them in there for 6 to 10 minutes. I love Brussels sprouts roasted. I gotta be honest with you, I never liked them as a kid, like boiled. That's how my mama used to fix them, and I wouldn't eat them. But I do love them roasted in the oven. We like them almost burnt. My husband will not eat them, so it'll just be me and baby boy eating these. But I love them roasted. I also like them with a little bit of sweet and a little bit of savory. Tonight I'm going to stick with just the savory because my meat is going to be a little bit sweet with a pork loin that has brown sugar and applesauce on it. So I want to keep this kind of savory to go alongside of it. Growing up too in a family, I have 4 brothers, and my dad would eat anything that my mama cooked. He came up hard on a farm, and when it was time to eat, you ate what was served to you, and so he ate everything. So when she would fix Brussels sprouts, I'm sure he loved them. I didn't. I think they put vinegar on them back then after she boiled them. Anyway, I love them roasted. Okay, now to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Let me get this water up. Just a drizzle, not too awful much. I'm gonna leave it open in case I need more. I'm gonna add some everyday seasoning to it. This has salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley, and it is on the website if you want to Google that and find that recipe, or you can go to Facebook and search in the search bar, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, everyday seasoning. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese. Let me grab a spoon. Let me toss these around a little bit. Make sure all of them are coated with some olive oil. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese to mine as well. Just a shake, and then I'm gonna eyeball it. Make sure it looks like it's got enough Parmesan cheese on it to cover all the Brussels sprouts. Get back in there. A little bit more. And that Parmesan cheese will give them that saltiness as well, and that savory. I think they'll be really good like this. Okay. Let me make sure I've got enough seasoning on there. I'm just going to taste just a little piece. Make sure I've got enough seasoning. And I do. All right, I'm going to put these on. I covered this pan for my air fryer with that foil, that's the cooking kind of foil, and it's easier to clean up. I'm gonna spread these out there, and they're going into my air fryer. 6 minutes, then I'm gonna check them, toss them, and then I'll return them there for another 6 to 10 minutes. But I want mine just a little bit crispy on the outside. So I'll show some pictures of that. You can see it on the page and you'll see it in the comments. Roasted Brussels sprouts. That's what we're having tonight. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.